and this month's topic is Salvage, I think it is. Yeah, Salvage. And the week's prompt is self. So I wanted to talk a little bit about that. A lot of the news media, the Me Too movement, that kind of thing. Well, I grew up in a very abusive household, and I was abused verbally as well as other ways. I'm not going to go into detail, but anyhow, because of the constant fighting between my parents and things that went on in my childhood, I got, have anxiety disorder, basically. And it's gotten worse over the years. I think part of it has to do with fibromyalgia that I have. I think it's made it worse. My medication might have made it worse as well. So my escape or my salvation, salvation is art. When I'm feeling anxious about something, or I'm feeling stressed, or even sad or angry, art is my escape. Art is my salvation. That is what keeps me grounded, keeps me level-headed. I can put my emotions down on paper and paint over it. I can do all kinds of creative things to get into that positive mindset. I try not to get depressed. I try not to allow myself to get depressed. Though I have gone through bouts of depression and bouts of anger, resentment, that kind of thing. And I'm sure many of you that have gone through those experiences have expressed the same feelings. It's almost like grieving, kind of. You go through those stages of emotions until you reach a point where you feel better about yourself. And as I've gotten older, I've learned that I don't care what other people think about me. I don't care what, if they don't like me, well, too bad. I used to feel that I had to be liked by everyone, that I had to be a perfectionist. I guess part of it was because my childhood was so imperfect and so chaotic as far as emotions and that kind of thing, and the fear of the unknown, that I have learned over the years to let certain things go, to also not let my anger get in the way of things. I've learned that accepting others as they are, and to get rid of toxic and negative people in my life. And that has been hard, but it's something that I need to do for my own well-being and my own health. So without further ado, I'm going to create a page based on art being my salvation. So I hope that you enjoy my process, and I hope that I didn't trigger anyone. If you do need help, there are many there's a suicide prevention line. There is the seek help through a friend, through a professional. I'm not a professional, so I'm not telling you what to do or how to do it, but this is my way of dealing with my stresses and anxiety that I suffer from. So without further ado, I'm going to get started. And thanks again for watching.